There is no chain. I'm gonna fix this chain.
And so that was my last trip.
Antarctica, yes. Mm-hmm.
And that used to be me.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And this is the Great Wall of China. Oh, and this is my last trip to Antarctica.
2004. Oh, it's very. You have
that's
very
me,
young.
2004,
Yeah, very young.
Yeah. And there's Queen Elizabeth. And this is Machu Picchu in Peru.
Machu Picchu, yes.
Mongolia, and this is Israel.
Uh-huh.
And there's the Taj Mahal in India.
Yes.
In Cambodia. Oh, this was my very first trip. This whole thing here. He was my very first guide.
Nepal?
Yes, and we stayed in touch. That's his wife and him. And we stayed in touch forever. There's Angkor Wat in Cambodia. That's in Antarctica.
Antarctica.
That was a water boat left by a sailing vessel around the turn of the century, and they'd fill it with snow and take it back for water.
Mm-hmm.
And that one got marooned there.
Mm.
And there's that homeless man in the Greek island.
Yes, Turkish people, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
And there's just all over the place.
Uh-huh.
And the red and white scarves are from Jordan, and the black and white ones are Palestinian. She lived in the Sahara Desert.
I decided this was a yes.
Well, that was...
he looks angry. Yeah.
Yes. I sent him that picture back. That was in the post office of Ushuaia, which is the last landmass before you get on the boat to go to Antarctica.
Uh-huh.
And so everybody was mailing things from there.
Mm-hmm.
And he was working in the post office. So, yeah, I thought that was fun.
Oh, yes. Very old hands.
These are her hands. And she's a Berber lady who lives in the Sahara Desert in Tunisia. And they have to get tattooed when they get married, so guys know they're off the market. That's a Komodo dragon.
Yeah, Komodo dragon.
And I got yelled at for getting too close to him. But I got a good picture.
Did you scare off this animal?
No.
It's so
stayed there and we became friends.
Okay.
Okay, kid. Well, it's been a pleasure. And so it's working okay?
Yeah, check please. Yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm. I fixed.
You're going to make me go upstairs, are you? All right. Oh, I hope you're going to put that back.
Uh-huh.
You mean?
Yep. Just one.
That I turned it on with.
Yes, turn on, turn off.
Okay, so if I just do one, it turns off.
Yep.
Oh.
This is off position.
Aren't you smart? I don't even know what that does. Oh, it turns the lights out. I didn't even...
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I leave those out. So you are multi-talented.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am trying to do best. Yeah.
All right, dear heart. Nice
Okay.
talking to you.
Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
Okay.
you too.
Have a nice one. Yeah.